Hello everybody, my name is Kapu Shravanti, lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic for Women, Warangal. Today the topic of my presentation is permanent magnet moving coil. In the previous class we have learnt about introduction to the course structure, electronic measuring instruments, analog instruments, and the characteristics of ideal voltmeter and ammeter. The objective of this class is construction and working of permanent magnet moving coil instruments. The focus of my presentation is PMMC instruments, basically which is also called D'Arsonval meter movement or a permanent magnet moving coil meter movement. Since it is widely used in electronic instruments, it is worthwhile to discuss its construction and principle of operation. PMMC instrument is unsuitable for the AC measurements unless the current is rectified before applying to the coil. This is a highly sensitive instrument used to measure the small currents of the order of 10 to the power of minus 9 amps. The permanent magnet moving coil instruments work on a DC motor principle. Whenever a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences mechanical force and tends to deflect, which means when a current carrying coil is placed in the magnetic field produced by the permanent magnet, the coil or a conductor experiences a force and moves. As the coil is moving and the magnet is permanent, the instrument is called permanent magnet moving coil instrument. This is the basic principle of the PMMC instruments or the D'Arsonval principle. Now let us move on to the next topic, next slide. Assembled isometric view of PMMC instrument. There is a pivot, pointer, spring, coil and aluminium former and a south pole and north pole, and there is a permanent U-shaped magnet is there. Now let us see the sectional view of the PMMC instrument. South pole and north pole pieces and a U-shaped magnet we already seen, and there is a moving coil. Construction of PMMC instruments. It consists of U-shaped magnet and a light rectangular coil wound on aluminium former, and there is an iron core makes the field uniform and decreases the reluctance of the air path between the poles. And there is a rectangular coil that is supported by jeweled bearings, and there is a pointer and control springs are attached to the spindle, and aluminium former provides support to the coil and provides eddy current damping. There is a soft iron cylinder and a moving coil wound on aluminum farmer, and there is a zero adjustment spindle is there, and balance weight to the supply. And next, open view of the permanent magnet moving coil instrument. There is a scale which is the linear scale, and there is a pointer which is made of aluminum, and there is a permanent magnet and a coil, and all these things we have already seen. And there are two terminals are there, and the coil spring is there. Now coming to the parts of the PMMC instrument. Permanent magnet. This permanent magnet is made of mu metal or alnico. As the name indicates, the instrument consists of a permanent magnet of horseshoe form with soft iron pole pieces attached to it, which provides low hysteresis loss, and it is bent like horseshoe magnet. And the next one is the deflecting coil here, which is wound on a aluminum former. It consists of axle and aluminum former is there, and there is a deflecting coil. The deflecting coil is a deflecting system. Due to iron core, the deflecting torque increases, increasing the sensitivity of the instrument. And it consists of control springs. They are made of phosphorus branch, and they are arranged to spindle opposite direction on top and bottom. And there is a pointer. The pointer is a moving part which indicates the quantity to be measured on a graduated scale in a measuring instrument. Here the pointer is made up of aluminum. This pointer is also just like a tube, hence a pointer or tube we can say. Now come on to the next slide. Here there is a deep discussion about the pointers and scales. Scale is nothing but an array of calibrated marks from which the input or output quantity is read and interpreted. Scaled division. The interval between two consecutive scale marks. Scale. There is a scale you are showing. Scale graduated and painted sheet of aluminum. Pointer. Pointer is moving part which indicates the quantity to be measured on a graduated scale in a measuring instruments. Features of pointers. The shape and size of the pointer used depends on the type of instrument. The material used should have rigidity with at least weight and inertia, for example, which is made up of aluminum. The pointer motion is limited by buffers or stops a little more than a scale to avoid damage during sudden fluctuations. Requirements of pointers. Parallax error should be avoided. End of the pointer is flattened and is made to move over a graduated scale. It should be protected with the help of a glass. Balancing is done by attaching a counter weight at the tail end. And now come on to the next slide. Scale We have already seen scale is a interval between the two consecutive scale marks. Divisions or graduations are generally printed on enameled surface of a metal plate or on paper or cardboard and pasted to a metal plate. To avoid parallax error, divisions or graduations are done on a mirror or mirror surfaced plate. There is a scale moving over instrument increasing to FSD. FSD is nothing but full scale deflection, and there is a minimum deflection. There is a starting from 0. Types of scales, we have two types of scales, linear scale and non-linear scale. Linear scale, divisions or graduations are evenly spaced throughout the range. Linear scale is used in moving coil instruments. In this, the angle of deflection is proportional to the current in the coil, and the full scale deflection is possible, that is up to 270 degrees. This is the linear scale figure. You can see there is a gradual scale. Now, non-linear scale. Divisions or graduations are cramped at the beginning and uneven throughout the range, and is suitable for moving iron instruments. The angle of deflection is proportional to the square of the instantaneous current in the coil. Full scale deflection up to 120 degrees, and non-linear scale is used in DC and AC measuring instruments. These are the figures showing the non-linear scale. You can see there is a scale that is cramped, and here also B figure also there is a cramping at the ends. That is nothing but the scale is uneven. Now coming to the PMMC parts, there is a dust proof case, that is ebonite front panel glass over scale. Now coming to the principle of PMMC instrument. When the instrument is connected in the circuit, the operating current flows through the coil. As this current carrying coil placed in the magnetic field, the coil experiences the force. As the coil attached to the spindle rotates, and hence the pointer moves on a graduated scale. This is the assembled isometric view of PMMC instrument. Now, why this PMMC instrument is only works for the DC? Because if the current carried through the coil is reversed, the torque reverses, hence the pointer moves in opposite direction, that is below 0. Hence they work only when the current through the coil passes in a definite direction, that is DC only. Which means PMMC instruments unsuitable for the AC instruments or AC measurements. Let us summarize our discussion. So far we have discussed about construction and working principle of PMMC instruments. Now coming to the quiz part. End of the pointer is flattened to avoid bad shape, parallax error, unbalancing, none. The end of the pointer, why it is flattened? Because of to avoid the parallax error. Second one, array of calibrated marks are called scale or division or lines, none. Array of calibrated marks is called scale. The answer is C. Graduations are evenly spaced throughout the range in MI instruments, MC instruments, both and none. MC instruments, because in MI instruments the graduations are not evenly spaced and also cramped in MI instruments. Hence, the answer is MC instruments. Damping torque is produced by A. Eddy current in aluminum former, counterweights, springs, and fixed coil. Damping torque is produced by eddy current in aluminum former. Now, control torque produced in PMMC instruments is by springs, counterweight, fixed coil, pointer. Control torque is produced by springs, which is made up of phosphorus branch springs. Now, PMMC instrument works on the principle of A transformer, B DC motor, C AC motor, D DC generator. The answer is B DC motor. Now, frequently asked questions. List out different parts of PMMC instrument, and second one, state different torques produced in PMMC instrument, and draw a neat diagram of moving coil instrument, and explain construction and working of PMMC instrument with a neat sketch. Thank you for joining us.